So the past few days have been kind of interesting for Bitcoin because we've had this consistent upward movement, but there has also been some serious indictments, charges being leveled, people involved with Tether and Bitfinex, and you can make a lot of this stuff up. I mean, it's all out there for you to check out, but the stuff that really made me laugh was, I don't remember the name of the guy, but he was arrested and his apartment was searched, and there was, I think, 14,000 of counterfeit dollars, and many fake government bonds which were supposedly or allegedly being used as collateral for, it was used in the process to get loans from banks. And on top of that, you have the old news of crypto capital bank accounts being seized in Poland and throughout the world. And yeah, don't worry about it. We'll get that money back. Sure. When it's getting increasingly clear that the money that was associated with these accounts were not only commingled, but have rather shady sources. They have very illicit reasons to be in those accounts. So we're talking money laundering, we're talking drugs, we're talking probably trafficking, pornography, illegal pornography, that is. And I gotta say to myself, like, would I want to be in Tether right now? And the answer is no. And a lot of this FUD is kind of breaking around here, and people are seeing this upward movement, which has a significant premium. Oh, I'm looking at the big quick cash chart. I wasn't looking at the screen. That's it displays pretty much the same thing, apart from this very sad-looking Bitcoin SV. Yeah, that's better. So you've got this huge upward movement, and people seem to be convinced that we're gonna be going to a new high. We're entering a bull market. I hate to be the fudster, be the perma bear, which I'm not. But after a run up like this, it really doesn't make any sense for one, there to be a bull market on this kind of news. And two, for a bull market to occur at all. It's not the way that it's panned out in the past, if we want to use the past as a template. And I don't particularly want to, but it still seems to me that this is a very artificial move. And while I think there is probably some new money in, I haven't investigated myself, but I've seen other people demonstrate the net outflows from exchanges, and I think the ratio was something like for every dollar going into Bitcoin, there was 4 or 5 leaving on average, I think, from what I saw. But back to the move. This move might not necessarily be people buying Bitcoin because they think a new bull market is here. A lot of these guys might be buying because they're just exiting the market. This is the level of FUD that we have not seen since Mt. Gox. And if you don't know what Mt. Gox is, look it up. It's a lot of fun. But it really is. The premium is not so huge anymore. What is that? 597. So, it's just about 300. Let's call it 350. 350 difference in premium. So watch that spread, and I wouldn't be messing around a Bitfinex myself. There's all kinds of things which point towards a new bull market, but personally, I feel like the risk right now is way too high, and I'm exiting positions. I've got some small positions from this move, and I'm going to be exiting them because I'm probably leaving this market. It's a drag, man. This was I gotta admit, I missed this. I played this move, played that, and then I completely missed the boat on this one. Okay, I made a little bit of money. around here, but yeah, I did not stick to my plan and I got overly bearish. But I tell you what, even with this price action, man, even with these huge moves that we're seeing, I'm pretty convicted that this is it. We could probably push up, but I don't believe this price action. I've noticed people saying that it's okay. Bitfinex doesn't make much in the market. This was mentioned on a chat group that I'm on, and someone else mentioning, other people mentioning it, and it's a misconception when you remember that most of the volume is fake. So these hundreds of millions of dollars that are pumped in through Tether, they really make a difference. So the market cap is, in my opinion, overinflated, and there is nothing stopping us from getting cut in half in the next couple of months. I don't have any confidence in this move, and I'm not playing this market. It's actually probably the first time that I am utterly disgusted with the state of crypto, and I would be very wary to put any money to work at this point. It's just a really risky market. There's a lot of shonkiness, a lot of shenanigans, a lot of backdoor dealings and insider trading, and not to mention, I mean, we all know that, but yeah, don't trust it, and I would be very careful. And you know what, I could be totally wrong, but after the last bubble, it's now about capital preservation and a good risk or reward, and I don't see it here. And if it goes up, if it goes to 100,000 from here, great. I'll be able to play that, and I'll be very happy, but I do not see that happening. I do not see a new bull market. I see this as fake. It's totally fake. And it looks like my internet's screwed, so I think I'll end that here.